Properties of the exponent.
So here we have the property name, the definition, and example. So power of a power is when a property or a number or a variable is raised to another number of variables. So here we multiply. So m times n, n. So here 3 times 2, x to the 6. Okay. So product powers. So it's a multiplication, but you need to have the same base, okay? Same letter or same number. So when we're multiplying, we add the exponent. So here we're multiplying the exponent, here we add the exponent. Quotient of quotient of powers, we do a division. You see, in here multiplication, we add the exponent. So in the division, we subtract the exponents. And here we have the examples. Here we add the exponent, here we subtract the exponents, okay? So this is p to the second. Y to the 7, p to the second is the answer here. Zero exponent, when a letter or a number is raised to 0 is equal 1. That doesn't work for 0. 0 raised to 0 is undefined, so it's not a 1. Power of a product, so you're multiplying two numbers raised to an exponent. So this exponent affect both numbers. The first one and the second one, here you have. If you have here like a 5x, so 5 raised to m and x raised to m too. Power of a quotient, so the same thing for multiplication to an exponent, division to an exponent. Here multiplying, here divided, okay? Here I did it with variables, here I did it with numbers, okay? Same thing. Negative exponent, so a negative exponent change position. It's not about the number if it's positive or negative. It's the position of the number. If it's in the numerator, go to the denominator. If it's in the denominator, go up to numerator. So here you see an example, 4 to the negative 3 is 1 over 4 to the third, you see? The 4 is always positive, or it could be always negative, doesn't matter. What changed the sign of the exponent is the position, not the sign of the number, okay? So we're gonna check now some examples. Just wanna make a clarification that negative exponent most of the time will not be in the test. So in the GED test, it won't be negative exponent. Maybe in the SAT, but usually no. So let's do 3 examples. Let's do this, this, and this. You can pause the video anytime and do the other ones. Okay, do those 2, you can do the other ones. So let's go to this. Here I'm multiplying the numbers. 2 times 1, 4 is 1/2. 1/2. P, X, M, R, so different letters. So I just put all the letters here and that's it. P, X, M, R. Here, 3 times 2 is 6. X times x to the 7 is x to the 8th, because this x, and even you don't see it, here it has a 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Remember when we multiply, we add the exponent. Here when we divide, we simplify, we subtract exponent. So the number is 1 over 3, even you don't see here there is a 1, so 1/3. M, simplify m to the 5, so here will be now m to the 4th. Because we simplify 1m here with 1 here. N and n3, it will be n squared. And p is only 1 and 1, so it's a 1. So the answer is this one. You don't have to do anything else, okay? So check the properties of the exponent, try to do the other ones, and so here what we do, we multiply the numbers first. 1/2 times 1/4 is 1 over 8. Positive times negative is negative. And then we work with the letters. X times x 5. Remember, we multiply, we add the exponent, so it's x to the 6. Y2. This is, remember, when you don't see anything, there is a 1. Y2 will be Y3. And Z1 and Z, it will be Z2. So this will be the answer for this exercise.